We see all the glitz and glamour of the creator industry, but behind the scenes there are so many logistical things that are so important to get nailed down now so that you can avoid headaches later on. But setting up a business is a daunting task, and that's why so many people just don't do it correctly or at all. But it's necessary for you to ensure that you're legally running, and you can focus on doing what you do best, creating. Today, I'm sharing the things that you need to know to get your creator business set up. I'm sharing a great tool with you that I highly recommend that's gonna make setting up your creator business so much easier. Because if I'm being honest, getting your biz set up can be a very stressful feat. This is exactly why I love Tailor Brands. They're an AI-driven, one-stop shop for aspiring small business owners. They have everything that you need to successfully start your business. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen, and I am a creator monetization coach at Soulcial, as well as the host of Social Scoop podcast. We help entrepreneurial creators turn their online influence and creativity into a profitable, self-sustaining business. Don't forget that timestamps are going to be down below so that you can hop around and find exactly what you're looking for today. First things first, let's talk about getting your business registered and set up correctly. Now, this is one of the most important steps to getting your business set up so that you are registered correctly with the government as a business. If you're operating a business without registering, you can run into a lot of legal trouble, and no one has time for that. Your business will need to be registered correctly in order for you to open a business bank account. And trust me, you're going to want to do that so you can make your personal and business income and expenses separate so that when it comes tax time, everything is a breeze. One option is an LLC, or a limited liability company. This type of official business structure is really popular among small business owners since it's relatively inexpensive to form and simple to maintain. If you've decided that an LLC is the best option for you and your business, you can save time and file your LLC with Tailor Brands in just a few clicks. By doing this, you'll have more protection for your business, most likely make customers have more trust in you, and make smart money decisions regarding taxes. Yes, the way that you are registered can actually help you make smarter financial choices. The way your business is registered can actually affect the way you pay your taxes and your liability. For me personally, I was registered as a sole proprietor for a long time until I spoke with my accountant, who told me it would be a better option for me to actually become an LLC. He said that I would save a huge chunk of money, so at the start of 2022, that's exactly what I did. You can click on the link down in the description below to get started on forming your LLC with Tailor Brands. Once you're on the site, you'll choose your state that you're forming your LLC in to get started. You'll be able to enter in your desired business name to check and see if it's available, and if it is, you're off to the races. The process looks a little something like this. Number one, tell Tailor Brands about your business by answering a few questions so that you can make sure that your LLC is set up perfectly. They'll be able to help you form your LLC in a way that's best for your business. Then you'll actually get started on forming the LLC. Tailor Brands handles all of the paperwork so that you can save time and mental energy. Lastly, you'll be able to check in on how your application is going and check its progress after purchase and submission. While doing this solo can be an incredibly confusing process, you can let Tailor Brands do it all for you, hassle-free. They are the only platform that offers you literally everything that you could need in order to get your business set up correctly, all in one place. They offer domain registration, trademarking, logo creation, business email address creation, website building, digital business cards, and more. So check out Tailor Brands in the link down in the description and receive a limited time discount on Tailor Brands plans. Time is money, baby. And I love to share with you anything that's gonna save you time in your business. Next up, let's keep our money on track. Before I was a content creator, I was a photographer, and I had absolutely no one tell me the importance of tracking my income and expenses. I mean, I knew it was important, but I didn't have any idea how to actually do it. First things first, let's talk about why tracking your income and expenses is so important. Obviously, you wanna know how much money you're actually making so that you can know if/when you are profitable, and just how profitable you are. You wanna make sure that you're not spending way more than you're actually making, but you also wanna know how much you're profiting so that you know where you stand as a business. But the other reason why it's so important to track your income and expenses is actually for tax purposes. The money that you're spending on your business expenses can actually help offset the amount of money that you pay in taxes each year. Some of those examples for a content creator might be your editing software, your photography equipment, if you're paying a photographer, maybe props you need for a photo shoot, or really anything that you need to actually do your job. I make sure that I keep a receipt of everything that I spend money on for my business so that I'm not missing out on any tax breaks. I use a software that I connect to my business credit card and debit card to ensure that I'm tracking all of my expenses, but also classifying what each of those expenses actually is. For example, supplies, travel, contractor payments. I want to know how much I'm making, but I also want to know how much I'm spending on each category of expense. Overall, how can you make your business profitable if you actually have no idea where you stand in terms of income and expenses? Getting a good tracking system that works really well for you is going to be more important than ever. The third incredibly important thing to making your creator business very much legitimate is actually establishing a brand identity. You might be thinking, Kristen, I'm a content creator. I don't need a brand identity. My friend, you would be incorrect. When someone comes to your page, you want them to instantly know that it's yours. For example, when you come to my page, you know that you're getting fun, you're getting color, and you're getting a lot of light and bright content. It helps you associate certain things with me so that I'm more top of mind. It can actually help people visit your page more, DM you more, and overall just feel more connected to you. It also helps brands get a really great understanding of what they're gonna get if they actually hire you for a collaboration. If your branding is really clear, they're gonna be very confident in what the outcome will actually look like, and it will make them more inclined to actually spend money with you. If you're looking to get started on a website so that you can have a beautiful brand identity, you can use Tailor Brands to get your domain registered and actually get a beautiful website set up for you. You can use their DIY templates or the automatic site builder to create a beautiful, eye-catching site. And one thing I also want to dive into quickly here is your ability to create a beautiful logo using Tailor Brands as well. You start off by entering information about your brand, like your name and the type of business you are. And then out of 15 beautiful styles, you choose your top 3. This will help Tailor Brands understand your style a lot more. After that, you'll be faced with a ton of beautiful logo options that you'll be able to choose between and customize. They even show your logo IRL on things like t-shirts and websites so that you can get a better understanding of what they'll actually look like when they're in use. Overall, being a legitimate creator with an actual business is a process, but if you're really serious about it, this is something that you're gonna have to go through. Thankfully, having a coach like me or a tool like Tailor Brands can actually make things so much easier and quicker for you. Don't forget that link down in the description are limited time discounts for Tailor Brands plans so that you can get things done right the first time. They're giving you 20% off limited Tailor Brands plans so that you can get started. So what questions do you have about actually getting your creator business started? Make sure to leave them down in the comments below so I can help you out. You can also get one-on-one advice from me and be in a like-minded community with plenty of resources and tools to help you out as part of our SocialMate monthly creator membership. We offer everything that you need in order to successfully build a creator business. I will see you inside the membership. If you've made it this far and have not yet subscribed yet, what are you doing? Hit that big subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can be notified every time we share a new video. Also, don't forget that we interviewed Sabrina St. Peter. She's the owner of Smart Spark Solutions, where she actually helps creators with all of their bookkeeping. This episode of Social Scoop Podcast is available everywhere you listen to your podcasts. You'll learn everything you need to know about managing your income and expenses and just general finances as a creator. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye!